I'm in Pasadena, about to check out Eaton Canyon Falls. One of the biggest storms of the year is headed this way, but that's not going to deter me. You can either make excuses not to find adventure or make excuses to find adventure. Once again, under the breach, dear friends. Let's check out this amazing waterfall. Eaton Canyon Falls, it's about a 3.5 mile round trip. It's pretty flat, it's only less than 500 foot elevation gain. The falls are about 30, 35 feet, might even be 40 now with all that flow. There's a lot of crisscrossing the river or stream. It's more like a river today. A lot of rock hopping. It gets pretty crowded on the weekends, a lot of families with kids and dogs and stuff like that. Today is the perfect day to go. There was only a few other hardcore adventurers out there checking it out.
It is like a finger pointing away to the moon. Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory. Empty your mind, be formless, shapeless, like water, like water. Water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend. Empty your mind, be formless, shapeless, like water. Water can flow, or it can crash. Empty your mind, be formless, shapeless, like water. Be water, my friend. Running water never goes stale, so you gotta just keep on flowing, keep on flowing. You gotta just keep on flowing, so you gotta just keep on flowing. You have to train. You have to keep your reflexes so that when you want it, it's there. When you want to move, you're moving. I mean, you gotta put the whole hip into it. Snap, snap, become one with the. You better train every part of your body. I mean, you gotta put the whole hip into it. Snap, snap. You better train, become one with the. You better train every part of your water never goes stale, so you gotta just keep on flowing, keep on flowing. So you gotta just keep on, Under the sky, under the heaven, there is but one family.
It looks so enticing though, guys, and I was drenched by the time I got there. I figured, you know what, I'm already wet, I might as well strip down and jump in. And the water was warmer than the air temperature. It was beautiful, very energizing, pumped me up, fueled my adrenaline for the way back, for the quick round trip.
Or it can cram empty your mind, be formless, shapeless, like water. Be water, my friend.
You know, guys, being cold and wet is temporary, but being infamous lasts forever. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, give this a like, drop a comment down below, tell me what kind of adventures you have planned for this weekend, today, whatever. And stay safe out there, guys. Thanks.
Infamous.